Tablets and technology run out of juice. And when you least expect it, your battery is dead. Tires are flat. Equipment is deflated, leaving you stranded, frustrated, and on edge. Not anymore. Now you can charge up, power up, and pump up anytime, anywhere. Introducing the revolutionary Smartech Power Kit. It's an amazing portable power pack that quickly charges all your devices.
You can pump up the tires, you can charge your computers, you can jump your car. If you have a battery, you need Smartech.
It's also a powerful 500 amp jump starter that will fire up your motorcycles, cars, vans, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and boats.
Bingo! Like magic.
That's not all. It's also a rugged 150 PSI air pump that pumps up pool toys, sports equipment, bike tires, motorcycles, cars, trucks, and even transport trucks.
Smartech is a lot more convenient than having something big and bulky such as the air compressor, and I'm not tethered to the wall, so having this on the go is very convenient.
It's also a powerful 3-function LED flashlight.
It's a matter of peace of mind, safety for your family, safety for your children, safety for other people. This tool here can help not only you, but it can help people around.